bad boys, pretty girls. My Venus and Sabina, bad boys, pretty girls.
You okay?
What's the trouble?
Won't start.
Can I take a look?
I got a guy coming.
Just another man underestimating you. Nothing to see here.
Where are you headed?
Food bank.
Hush now. Telling everyone our business.
I grew up around cars. My dad's a mechanic.
Yeah, you got jumper cables in your back pocket?
Yeah, maybe.
Where you come from all alone?
Miss my bus?
You know what you can do to help me? Tell me if that accelerator cable moves if I'd start it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing?
Try again. Again.
Is she a wizard?
Got anything?
She's a witch.
Again.
Girls can't be wizards. Girls can be anything.
One more time.
Hey, what did you do? Huh?
Daddy! Daddy! She burned her!
What's happening?
Daddy, she hurt me!
Stay away from my
No,
daughter.
no, no, no. She put her hand on a hot engine. You need to call.
You get away from my daughter's now.
Don't touch me.
Daddy! Daddy!
Get back in the car.
Daddy!
Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Just take it easy.
Daddy! You okay? Daddy!
Okay, girls, it's fine.
That's what happens when you don't listen to me.
Rock with me, all my girls with me. Rock with me, all my girls with me.